Prepare for nature's most extraordinary superheroes. Cheetah's jaw-dropping speed reaches up to 70 miles per hour. Cuttlefish change color and pattern instantly. Dung beetles carry loads 1,141 times their weight. The immortal jellyfish can revert its cells and grow anew. Albatrosses cross oceans without flapping wings. Pistol shrimp's claw snaps create sonic booms. Elephants possess an impeccable memory. Mantis shrimp sees colors beyond human capabilities. Basilisk lizards run on water to escape. Bats, the only mammals capable of sustained flight. Incredible, isn't it? Ordinary creatures with extraordinary powers.